First, open the packaging box and take out all the accessories inside. Then prepare the cables to be connected. Strip the wires on both sides with a wire stripper. Keep the stripping length the same at both ends. Prepare the heat shrink tube. Then put the wires into the heat shrink tubes in order. Twist the copper wires according to their corresponding colors. Just finish wrapping the 3 wires. After twisting, solder them with a soldering iron and solder wire. Trim off excess burrs at the welding joint with pliers. Move the heat shrink tube to the middle. Use a heat gun to blow the heat shrink tube to make it shrink. Put the connected wires into the transparent plastic box and close the lid. Wrap the plastic box with insulating tape. Reserve round holes as required. Then prepare the sealant. Press the sealant to ensure full bonding. Cut open the back opening with scissors. Pour in the sealant. Wait 30 minutes until fully cured.